So today is 20th of December, and the Bank Nifty trade that I had carried at 950, the C of 48,200. I was at a loss of 800 rupees, but today Bank Nifty opened a bit up, so my loss came a little bit less. I booked a loss of around 500 something, 550 rupees. Uh, Even if it has Bank Nifty would have closed here, then I would have made a profit because 200 was here, and from here it would have made me at the money or in the money. So, but anyways, this profit booking, the put writers booked their profit. Bank Nifty came down, and then 48,000 seemed to be a resistance, but today it opened above 48,000. So this was my uh, exit for the this was the exit for the trade that I carried at 40,050. Then I entered again at this point, 48,135 here at a CE trade of 48,300, 48,400, not 300 but 48,400. But I just entered due to FOMO of this green candle, this huge green candle. I had a fear of this green candle that maybe it would go somewhere I couldn't catch. So as soon as this red candle started forming, I exited, and I exited at the close here at 106. So I booked a loss of 20 points in the index, like 150 rupees. And even if it consolidated here for some time, then I would have to book huge loss because it was a 48,400 CE, so deep out of the money. But then here I entered at a CE at around 40,100, a CE of 48,300. So the option chain is showing a lot of call writers at 200 and 100. In case the call writers at 200 are broken and Bank Nifty crosses 200, 250, 280 something, then it would stop at around 400, 48, 400. So like 10, 20. For 20 minutes, it has been above 48,000 psychological level, and for 10 minutes, it has Bank Nifty has stayed above 48,100 also. So, but algo players are here, so let's see where it goes. So, uh, this second trade that I entered at this red candle here, this one, uh, at 48,105. Bank Nifty came to 160, but I didn't booked, and within 3 candles it came near my stop loss, and in the fifth candle it broke my stop loss, so I exited, and I entered in the same strike price of a call at 48,000, near 48,000, and I should have entered here 950, but missed the chance. I entered at 48,000, and in case a short covering comes, call writers exit, it will go towards 48,200. So I'll just keep a lot of put writers are there, a lot of put writers in at 42, 48,200, 48,100, 48,000. But anyways, so I'll just Bank Nifty should fall and This should be the range 850, and on the top side this is the highest point, and as soon as it got here near 200, sellers were aggressive and they started selling off. So today is expiry, and in case Bank Nifty breaks today's high, just a wishful trade. So I'll held on to this trade and just clear my chart. So this is my 12th trade of this 5-mile run, and hopefully if I don't make any profit today, a big profit today, my account will be blown up. So let's see. Gap down, gap down, again gap down here, closed here, open below. So not natural, not normal. 48 300, 48 400 should be my target if it goes up. So let's see what happens. So I had entered at this point, and I booked a loss of 50 rupees, 200 rupees, because I had entered at around 48,000, around here, exactly here, and I exited at here. And the reason I exited here is because of the time decay. It was a CE trade. Bank Nifty went up, again came down, again went up, consolidated, came down. So I preferred to take my losses, book my losses, and I exited at this point, at this candle doji. So yeah, so I again entered at a PE trade 47,934. This is a PE trade that I entered, a PE of 700, and these are my targets. This is my first target, this is my second target. In case my targets are achieved, I'll try to enter in a CE trade, though I don't have any capital. And if this this I guess is my last trade for today, because my capital will be blown off if I make loss here. So let's see. It is a PE of 47,700. So this 652, yesterday's low, if it breaks somehow, then only I can be able to retrieve my capital, which is not possible. And 700 is also not feasible now, because this 784, this is the highest it can come. Sorry, this is the lowest it can come, because this and then this, it was resistance one time, second time it broke the resistance, it took support from here. So this can be 786. This point can be a crucial point where if it comes, it will take support, and I'll book my profit and try to, if there is profit and if there is capital left, I'll try to enter in a CE trade. So let's see how it plays. So after so many losses, I entered at a put of 47,700, and these were my targets. and I exited here, but I could have I booked a decent amount of profit. This is where I exited, but after that I exited here and 710. After that Bank Nifty came 438. So drastic fall in Bank Nifty, and I could recover. I made a profit of around little profit. So my loss from the previous trades, uh, they like averaged a bit down. So that's it, and I'm planning to carry a C trade for tomorrow, Nifty. Let's see what happens. If I get the strike price, I'll carry it for tomorrow's opening, and I'll try to take initial profit of whatever 50 point, 60 point gap up. Or today's fall was pretty heavy, and I thought of entering here at a PE of 47,600, but then I thought my market could reverse, and then again I thought of taking a CE. So my brain was tricking me, and I thought of leaving Bank Nifty. But even if I had entered here at 47,600, C of 47, P of 47,600, like Bank Nifty is 200 points below, so I would have made huge profit. So anyway, it's part of the game. So that's it for today. It's almost 3 p.m. and so I took a loss of so many took a loss, and then three loss making trades, and then only one profit making trade, and my loss could come to a little bit lesser. So that's it, and if there is I'm not sure whether I have because this was my 13th trade, and if I have any money left, I'll continue tomorrow with how much capital is left with me. So let's see. Bye YouTube.